Good morning, people. What is going on? Happy Saturday, happy rest day. I have a few bits to do before we get into this video, people. I need to go shopping. I need wrist straps and I need some new shoes. Now, it's Christmas time in Ireland. New shoes are going to be hard to get because the sales are on right now. So I don't even know if there's going to be anything left. But wrist straps, shoes, let's go. Someone's angry already. We're only 10 minutes into shopping and we're already filming. Right, people, so far I think we have a half successful shopping day. What do you think? So we have 2 pairs of socks, even though I didn't come out for socks, but you always need socks. You take them. Ain't that right, babe?
And €7 for 4 pairs of socks?
Yeah. It's a chicken rip, but where are you going to get them for cheaper? And then we got new Nike hoodie in the Nike shop. Look at that. Cracker, isn't it? That's like my dream hoodie, just a red Nike hoodie. But yes, we have not successfully secured a pair of shoes. We haven't successfully secured a pair of shoes. There's one more shoe shop out here. Gonna go and look, and to be honest, I'm probably gonna force myself to buy a pair of runners out here because I kind of need them. What time we at? 11:15, and we have a table booked for 12 o'clock for some pancakes. This is my last cheat meal over Christmas. Do you believe me?
No.
It is, I promise. This is the last cheat meal. Insulin is on. I don't even have a cover on my insulin. I don't know where that went. That's not good. Oh, it's down your side, obviously. Look.
Not,
Yeah, but it's never on my side, is it? Right, we're going to the shoe shop. Right here, didn't I tell you I had a good feeling about lifestyle?
yeah.
I did, didn't I? I said that to you in the shopping centre. I had a good feeling. Oh yes. Now look at them. That is what it's all about. They are quality. I swear they're not the best pair of runners you've seen all day.
Yeah, they are.
Oh yes, happy with them. The kicks in the faces I'm going to be giving with them is going to be... Ah, yes. Yes. Banger. Oh people. Oh people, not good. Bad night at the office, people. Bad night. Had the vomiting bug, people. I passed out. I vomited and I shit myself, and my girlfriend was there for it all, which wasn't a good experience, but we are okay. What a night, people. I was supposed to be up this morning early training. About 2:30 last night I woke up and everything just went sideways. So it is now 2 o'clock the next day, people, and we are getting some baguettes into us and a bowl of soup, people. So I am wrote off for the day, being honest with you. Wrote off. 1 second, I'll show you my soup. So a bit of vegetable soup and some rolls going down. And people, I will catch up with you tomorrow for training and stuff. I'll be back tomorrow 100%. I can't stand taking a couple of days off, people. It's happened. Eat, rest, and I will catch you tomorrow, people. Just a little quick update. Right, people, good morning. What is going on? Oh, just checked my blood sugar at 11.7. Yesterday's blood sugars were horrific. Over being sick, having type 1 diabetes and getting the vomiting bug is no fun, people. But we are back active today. I actually feel pretty fresh, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to take some insulin now. I've no pre-workout like carbs. So there was like 2 cakes left over from Christmas. 2 little icing cakes. So I'm going to have them as pre-workout. Not ideal case scenario filled, but look, we'll just make it work for this morning because need to get back active. I've been off the gym for 2 days, but 2 days is way too long for me, people. Way too long. So today we get straight back into it because I don't want to leave it a week and then you're just gone. You're just, you know, you just go off the rails. So I want to stay fit, stay active, get the blood sugars back down. 11.7 is good this morning compared to what they were like yesterday, people. I had 15s, 14s. Oh, brutal. But let's eat. Let's get a kind of monster in and let's go train. People, getting ready for the gym. No pre-workout today, just a can of Monster because I am still feeling a bit fragile. I don't even know if this is a good idea, but I'm going to go and do it, people. People, the good Clean Me van. Something you don't really see it anymore, don't you know? Someone writing Clean Me on the old vans. Still, you know, that was a good thing when I was a child. Right, people, so far so good. We are flying through the session. I'm sweating. Strength is letting out me a little bit, but we are keep going. I haven't eaten proper in 2 days, so hopefully we can keep the strength up for the rest of the session and get back to field today. Have to go shopping after this, get a good few meals in, people, and get back on track and get these blood sugars down as well. Right, people, last exercise, feeling damn good. We got through, people. I need some food though. I'm living off 2 fucking little icing cakes and it's not good. But I wanted to push through today, people, because you take 1 week off, you know yourself what happens. It turns into 2 months, 2 weeks, whatever it is, and it's just not good. So keep it moving, people. I'm tired as hell right now, but on the last exercise, let's get this done, and then I need to go to shops and get a fuckload of calories, people. Get this bulk back active. Right, people, €55 worth of calories here. I have to get food for the next 3 days. Usually I just go shopping after the gym, but I have to get 3 days because we're coming up to New Year's now and all the shops will be closed. Nightmare. Hard to be grinding, hard to be staying consistent over Christmas when shops are closed. I know you can just get it the day before, but you know, over Christmas you just go, you don't even know what day it is, and then plus getting sick. I was reading about people, the norovirus is all around now, which is the Christmas vomiting bug, and causes like diarrhea as well, so I must have caught that the other day. Brutal, people. But look, back on track today, like I'm saying, people, straight back in, no complaining. I actually feel decent, to be honest with you. I'm just hungry. I need some calories. But you know yourself, before we get home, people, crack the goodness. Crack God's a gift to people. Yes, my stomach's rumbling. I'm that hungry after the gym. I haven't eaten proper in like 3 days, so today is the day we get a serious amount of food in. I never got protein bars, didn't I know? Be all good. We'll make do what we have, people. Let's go home, get some calories, straight back into this shit. Oh baby, people, I missed real food so much. Look at them. 2 cheeseburgers, real mince, people, banana, 70 grams of carbs here. I took 8 units though because my blood sugar is still a little bit high after being sick the last couple of days, so it was to be expected, but that's okay. It's nothing we can't fix. Need to get these calories back up in me, people. I haven't even checked my weight the last few days. I've just been all over the place. There's nothing worse than being sick. And then when diabetes goes south as well, like all progress has just gone backwards. The next objective after this is clean myself up, people. Look how bad I look. I'm in a heap. I need a shower. I need a shave, especially, people. Look at this big scruffy beard. Not good. Oh yeah. And wash it down with this. This is the good life, people. Thank you God I only had one of them little 2-day viruses and it wasn't one of them 2 weeks, because I can't stand sitting around. Even I was supposed to rest today to people, but then I woke up this morning and was like, no, I feel good, I need to get back active. I hate resting. I hate not having any objective on what to do and stuff like that, people. Just not good. But I'll tell you one thing, this tastes damn good. Oh yeah. Yes, right, people. First things first, shave is done. Feeling good, feeling fresh. People, what about a little physique update after... Oh, that lighting is not good. I'm gonna have to get something. Give me 2 seconds and we'll give you a full lighting physique update. Right, I think this shall do. Oh yes, people, feeling good even after a few days sick. Feeling fresh. The bulk is bulking. Right, people, just out walking the doggy. I don't know what this video is, people. Jesus, like, the one thing I just want to say is that you do fall down, people. Straight back up, straight into business. Get your training right, get your food right, and get everything back to business, because that was a rough couple of days being sick, and I thought I was going to be off for a week, and I really did not want to be a week behind in training and food and stuff like that, and just having bad blood sugars, because I am in the middle of a bulk right now, and anything like that is just going to set me back a week's, people, which I am really not in the mood for or prepared for. So that's why I got back up. So yes, people, I guess we could say just get back into business this video, isn't it? Just keep moving, keep healthy, people, and if you do get a little setback, keep on, just get up and get it going, people. I had a good plan for this video, people, and obviously everything went shit up, which is okay. Like I said, we keep it moving, people, and I'll catch you in the next one.